Hi everyone, welcome to the show. I'm your host Jake, and today I have something special planned. Something excellent. Come for the cooking, stay for the comedy. Let's break the eggs into the bowl. That's one tough egg. I guess it's shellfish. Let's try a different approach. Here goes. That didn't go as planned. Okay, we'll try it again. I have a good feeling this time. That's gross. It's okay, there's plenty more eggs. These eggs must be faulty. This time... This is harder than it seems. Was that... Nah. Stupid eggs. Wait, what's happening? Shark! What a horrible dream. Now I'm hungry. I'll go see Mommy. Mommy, I just had the worst dream. There was a shark and its teeth were huge. Oh no! All I wanted to do was cook some eggs. And what happened next? I was hitting them and the shells were going everywhere. That sounds awful, honey, but it's okay. Mommy's here to help. You need to tap the eggs on the side of the bowl. Just like this. What kind of magic is this? It's that easy. Wow! Mommy, can I try it? So I don't smash it. Just a little tap. I did it! Well done! I'm gonna try it again. Whoa!
Ugh, this is so boring. Did you hear something? Oh, my phone! Hello? Hey, can you do this? Flip the crepe. Whoa, I'm not ready for that level of responsibility. No way! I'll be right back. What do I do? Here goes. What happened? Oh, so close! Home run! I've told you before, don't play with your food. It does look good. Very funny. Give me that! Pay attention. Remove the crepe and flip the pan. Wow, that's so easy. Can I try? I'll lift the crepe out of the pan and place the pan on top. I did it! And now I can eat it. Good job!
I have a plan. No, that's not gonna work. Grace, stop it! If we want to catch a unicorn, I need to concentrate. We already have a unicorn. I mean a real one. We could use this. No. How about this? Oh no. Oh, I know! Take it easy. I have a plan. Let me see that. We need to be smart. Lure it in and capture it. Ooh, smart. What are we gonna use? Unicorns love cake. Time to decorate my cake. Ooh, that'll do. I'll take that. I hope that's enough. Huh? Where did my cake go? Oh well. This is fun. Wow, look at that cake. Phew, this is hard work. Looks good, right? Oh, I almost forgot. We can use these Pocky sticks to decorate it. Okay. Strawberry. We'll place them on the outside of the cake. Ooh, fancy. No unicorn will be able to resist this. There, I'm finished. It's so pretty. I want to eat it. Wait. What is it? It's missing something, and my puppet can fix that. I've got some colored chocolate. I'll pipe it into the rows of the puppet. I'll match up the colors. This is the last row. Now I'll put a stick into it and wait for it to set. Wow, this is amazing! This is just what the cake needs. Whoa! It can go right here. It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. Okay, focus. Let's top it with some candy. It's so colorful! Ta-da! I love it! It's the best cake ever! I wish you could try it! Just a little taste. No! Don't! It's so light and tasty. Something's happening. Gotcha! It was just a mask. Jake, that's me! Oh no! Run! Do I smell cake? My favorite! Stay back! Whoa! Look! I don't believe it! I knew unicorns love cakes! It's a rainbow! It's blowing my mind!
La la ba ba ba. Oh, soda ba ba ba. La 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 la. Oops. No! Make it stop! I did not expect that. At least there's a few drops left. Come on. Well, that's annoying. At least there's another bottle. Steady. Take it easy. Please don't soak me. Wait. I have a better idea. I can use that corn syrup. I'll put a spoonful of the corn syrup into the soda. That should do it. I'll put the lid back on. Make sure it's tight and give it a shake. And then put it into the fridge to set. I think it's ready. Ba 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 la la la. I don't need to worry about it spraying everywhere. Wow, look at that! And it tastes delicious! This is much better than regular soda. Time for a healthy snack. A yummy banana! Just what I need. That's weird. Where did it go? Banana thief! I was hungry. Okay, luckily there's another one. It does look good. Don't even think about it. Gimme! Get back! Take this! A salad. These are boring. Sorry. Wait. I'll be right back. Take a fork and a pair of pliers. Use the pliers to twist the fork lines. Twist them so they are vertical. Just like this. I can use this to slice the banana into sections. Now we can both enjoy it. Help yourself. Really? You're the best! Nom 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 nom. Wow. Alice really likes bananas.